Our industry-aligned MBA program at EU Business School Barcelona will give you a solid understanding of the core business areas and sharpen key critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are essential for top executives. This is a one-year full-time program that requires 2 years of professional experience for admission, and you will earn a UK state-recognized degree from London Metropolitan University.
At London Metropolitan University in the UK, we believe in an experiential, collaborative learning approach that deeply aligns with EU Business School's vision.
Our immersive hands-on learning approach, which includes company visits, business simulations, and executive guest speakers, effectively bridges theory and practice, building on your professional experience. You will learn from an international faculty of academics, industry leaders, and entrepreneurs who bring business to life, connecting classroom insights to real-world challenges and opportunities. You'll join a vibrant community of students from over 130 nationalities, so you can exchange knowledge with your peers from all over the world and gain a truly global mindset. You will also interact with world-renowned business leaders at our flagship Learning from Leaders conferences and expand your global network.
Career services is an important part of your journey at EU. With one-to-one counseling, assistance with your CV, career days with top companies and conferences with worldwide business leaders and working professionals, you will gain privileged insights into different sectors. We also hold networking events where you will meet leading professionals. Our mission at Career Services is to help you achieve your career goals. On graduating, you will become a member of our exclusive alumni network all around the world.
The program pushes you to think bigger, act smarter, and to step confidently into the next step of your business career. We look forward to seeing you on campus and watching you grow.